We are the Stolies, a family of 7 on a life-changing journey, traveling full-time to all 50 U.S. states in our RV before taking our adventures international. This isn't a vacation for us, it's our new way of life. We faced challenges, battled homesickness, and grown stronger as a family. Along the way, we've met incredible people and experienced diverse cultures, shaping our perspectives forever. Our mission is to share the world with our kids and, in turn, you. To shine light on the beautiful people and places of our planet and spread hope in a world that desperately needs it. Join us as we explore the beauty of America and beyond. Today's vlog is going to be a tour of our campground. Before we head out, we actually have a late checkout today, so we figured let's give you guys a tour of the campground we are staying at. We're at the Aces High RV Park in East Lyme, and they have a later checkout than most places, which I love. It's noon, and the place that we're heading to in Warwick, Rhode Island is only a little over an hour away, so it's going to work out perfect for us to maximize that late checkout and head to our new spot. I'm getting ready to send the drone up in the air so you can get some aerial footage of the campground that we're staying at here.
Which feeds the roosters and the chickens. And this has been our spot for the week. It's definitely a long, spacious one. Plenty of space for the kids to run around and stretch out. And I love that there's a tree because shade for me, always.
One of the things that the kids have loved is actually having a macadam road to be able to ride their bikes and scooters. It is actually uncommon to have that in a lot of RV parks. A lot of them are just gravel or like dirt, so they've been really excited about that.
Hi. Look, that's you. That's you. Oh, good job. Whoa. We just had the most competitive game of our lives, and now we're gonna go show you the basketball area with the pavilion. This is a really nice pavilion area. And they have things like their cornhole and other games that I saw that are probably put away right now. But it's a really nice shaded area with a fan where you can have events or activities or do a family picnic. And then they have an amazing fire pit area.
They even have a sauna. Check this out. We didn't get to use it, but it would have been nice. Yeah, this beach area is for swimming. I don't know that I would swim in it though.
It took me so long to figure this out.
This spot right here is where I spent most of my time watching the kids because the playground is right there. Jace was fishing on both of these ponds, but this like little gazebo is completely surrounded all the way by water with their little pond. It is very relaxing.
Pretty much the entire RV park is surrounded by these mini lake ponds where you can fish. You do need a Connecticut license to do so, but you can fish. There's lily ponds. It is so relaxing, and they have a set of, I don't know, a dozen, maybe more ducks, a white set and a brown set, and they just, I don't know, I love it. Every morning I see them come flocking over the water, and they're specific to the RV park, but they own them. They go into a house at the end of the night and they just hang out here. It's quite a good life. And yes, that is a real rooster.
got a hold on me, won't let go of me.
We just arrived at our campsite here in Rhode Island, getting everything unpacked. We got a sweet little, it's actually a pretty spacious back-end spot here, and Jace is super stoked. Here, I'm gonna show you. Right behind us, I don't know if you can see it, there you go. One row over is the fishing lake, and tomorrow they have a fishing competition. He's already set an alarm on his iPad, so he gets up in time for the competition.
It's 1 o'clock and we're already setting up again. Saw the playground and got so excited. So they're headed somewhere over there to the playground, right to there. Kids are in the playground. They made it like 5 minutes in the pool before saying, no way, Jose.
I was just trying to say hello to you.